One is we are all agreeable that international cooperation is indispensable. One is, as already mentioned, finance sector, where in developing countries, it is a huge problem. The capital cost is very huge. That's why affordable long-term finance and also multilateral development bank and risk mitigation system. This is the first thing. Second priority is technology. Technology for the not only generation, for the storage and for the transmission to also smart grid management, forecasting tools. These are the important things. And also, third thing is, because of the paucity of the time, one is supply chain. Supply chain has become a most crucial thing, especially this critical minerals where it is needed. That is most important along with other supply chains. Third is, more important is capacity building. In every country, there should be a capacity building. And fourth is, energy transition must benefit the common people, community at large. And along with that, we should expand the access and the reliability and the continuity. Because if you consider the solar, that's why Prime Minister Modi has said, one world, one sun, one grid. If that can be achieved, the continuity supply means firm and dispatchable supply at all the time to the every part of the world. That will become success. Otherwise, in the peak hour, there will not be a power through renewable energy. Of course, through hybrid mode, to wind, storage, pump storage, and all such things we are doing it. But in spite of that, the need of the hour is every part. Nobody should be left behind. That is the idea. Keeping that in mind, the most important is one size for all doesn't work. The country's priority has to be kept in mind, and what that country needs, what that size of the country needs, every approach should be different. And also, if it becomes the people-centric, then it will become naturally people's movement. So decentralized is also very, very important. Along with decentralized, if you make it battery storage, then it will be wonderful. Lastly, I would like to tell you one point. With the hybrid, that is firm and dispatchable, hybrid and continuous supply, with all these conditions in comparison to the fossil fuel, in India we have discovered a price where it is quite economical in comparison to thermal.